Well, we're out fishing again, and we're gonna see what happens. It's a bright, beautiful sunny day, but the wind's gonna be a problem again, right? So we'll give her a good try. Here he comes. Okay, let me grab this. Let's go. Well, I got one. That's cool, eh? I'm gonna keep this though, because I want it for supper. We're showing
Here's one.
We're showing another fish. Oh, I got another one. Holy lifting. Live catching fish. I lost them! Oh, right there too. Jeez. About 4 feet from the hole. That sucks. So, our licenses, we have, we could take 2 each home. 2 trout for him, 2 trout for me, 2 whitefish for him, 2 whitefish for me. I don't know. We know what we're having for dinner tonight anyway. Hey, Johnny?
Oh, yeah. And we're having steak.
And if you believe that, yeah, if you believe that, we'd sell you our condo on the lake for $1 million. Hopefully we get another fish. Johnny's got one coming up the hole. He's a big one, yeah. Nice. Ta-da. Ta-da. Hold it up one more time. Like, stand over in the corner and I'll get your picture. Johnny's got another one. Holy cow. He just let that one go and I didn't get it on film. Bye-bye.
He's too slow.
I know it's too slow. I didn't know what you were doing. Check this out. Not on the bite this time, but we have 2 on the ice. We might go for 4. Maybe we could smoke a couple or smoke 1 at least. That'd be awesome. Eat the other 2.
Back.
He's back. Look at that. Well, I just lost him on the Magz. Okay, I had that one up and he bit so lightly that I'm just going to fix this little skirt and pull it back a little bit. Oh, that was pretty freaky. Pull your knot back to the back. So you want to look like a feeding whatever, and you do the same thing with the bad boys. They're both awesome lures. I love both of them, and I switch them out a lot. Okay. Down she go. Came unhooked at the ice. And I couldn't get my arm down the hole fast enough. See you in a bit. It's really fighting. Okay. No. Get in there. Okay. Now we've got 3 on the ice. Oh boy, that smoker's looking good all along. Anyway. Wow. On the Magz. On the Magz. Three on the ice. Johnny just lost him, eh? You see that on the graph? Okay, so Johnny's not here. Okay. Somebody was asking me about everything that I wear out on the lake when I go ice fishing to keep really warm. I seem to wear the same thing every time, regardless of mild temperatures or not. It just seems to be, I never get cold, and I can take stuff off. I've layered my clothing. I got my unmentionables on first. Then I I have like a black synthetic tank top, and I have like synthetic long underwear. Okay. Then on my bottoms I just pull over this polar fleece weight suit that I have. And also on the top. And then I had the neck thing made separately. I had this custom made for me a few years ago from a sewing lady, and I wish she was still in business. However, yeah, it's a really good weight. It's got a hoodie, which is really important, because if I go over outside, even to go to the bathroom or whatever, go out to my sled to get something, I've got another layer, and then my coat has another layer, like a hood. It keeps all the heat in, but yeah, on top of that is these suits have neoprene inside. Like, they're really thick. They're really thick. Like, it's like, imagine foam that you do yoga, like yoga foam or something, like inside you. It's more heavier duty than that, but it's neoprene, and it's covered both sides with material and nylon and zippers and pockets, which I have full. And yeah, so I just go in layers. Sometimes I even take my coat off and leave it on my sled, but I brought mine in. It's right here. So we have these 4 fish that we have to take home. So I'm going to show you a quick way to bag one of them, okay? I turn like a garbage bag inside out, right? Actually, it's this way. And I grab the fish. I grab the fish like this, okay? You won't be able to see it, so I'm going to point you down. So that neoprene's real fun to bend over. Anyway, there's a fish in a bag without getting too sloppy. A bag of choice though. You know what works really good are the big toilet paper plastic bags. If you cut them right and take them out in the ice, you get a second use out of them. Here's my tip of the day. I better get to work and get more done before Johnny comes back to the hut. Well,
We fished about 3 hours and I think we caught 6 fish, but we kept 4 because we're gonna eat them. I'm gonna smoke one,
maybe 2 now,
and put one in the freezer for good Easter. And that's what we're gonna do.
Did you hear that ice crack?
Yeah, it's pretty cracky.
That was pretty wild. Very nice. Thanks for joining us, guys, on another adventure on Lady Simcoe. Anyway, it's a beautiful day and there's lots of people out here. Check it out. Were you on the ice?